Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the soothing world of nautical theme design. With a nautical theme, you can bring the calming vibes of the coast into every corner of your space. Let's set sail. First and foremost, what is nautical theme? A nautical theme, also known as a coastal theme, draws inspiration from the sea, sailing and coastal life. It has elements commonly associated with coastal cultures such as boats, ships, anchors, ropes, shells, etc. So, let's look at how you too can create a coastal inspired home. Start by selecting a calming color palette inspired by the sea and sky. Think shades of blue from soft aqua to deep navy. Pair it with crisp white and sandy beige tones. These colors evoke a sense of serenity and relaxation. Incorporate nautical decor elements such as anchor motifs, rope details, and striped patterns to add a touch of maritime charm to your space. Think decorative ship wheels, weathered wood accents, and even lantern-style lighting fixtures. Embrace natural materials like weathered wood, rope, and jute to bring the rustic beauty of the coast indoors. Consider furniture pieces crafted from reclaimed wood, rattan chairs, or sisal rugs for a coastal-inspired look. Adorn your walls with artwork that celebrates the sea and coastal landscapes. Hang framed prints of seascapes, beach scenes, or vintage maps to create a gallery wall that transports you to your favorite seaside destination. Accessorize with coastal accents such as seashells, driftwood, and beachcombing finds to add texture and interest to your space. Display seashell collections in glass jars, fill decorative bowls with beach sand, or simply hang a rope mirror as a focal point. Incorporate sailor's knots and rope details as decorative accents throughout your home. Use rope trim on curtains or lampshades. Display sailor's knots coasters or doorstops, or hang rope mirrors for a nautical touch. Illuminate your space with beach-inspired lighting fixtures that mimic the look of lanterns or driftwood. Consider pendant lights with woven shades, rope-wrapped table lamps, or lantern-style scones for a coastal ambience. Choose furniture pieces with a relaxed coastal vibe such as wicker chairs, slip-covered sofa, or rattan coffee tables. Opt for pieces with a weathered or distressed finish to evoke the look of beachfront cottages. Complete the coastal experience with ocean-inspired scents such as sea salt, ocean breeze, or even coconut. You can use scented candles, reed diffusers, or room sprays to infuse your home with the refreshing fragrance of the sea. Well, there you have it. With these nautical design tips, you can create a coastal-inspired home that feels like a relaxing escape by the sea. Thanks for joining us on this coastal journey. See you next week. Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.